Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about how to get more rose flowers out of this plant. So do watch this video till the end. This is the current state of my rose plant. So with this I'm going to show you a simple trick to generate more buds out of this. Here I have got a plant cutter. So it is available online. It costs around 150 to 200 rupees. Product links are provided in the description. Now start trimming off this rose plant with the help of this plant cutter. So just make sure like no buds are present in any of the branch and start trimming out like this. So like the lesser branch you keep, the chances of getting buds will be more. Previously I had got a good number of buds in this, so now it's of no use, so I've just trimmed out like this. So do like this for almost all the branches and keep the plant smaller, because the place where you cut, so it will start branching out and then it will start producing new buds. Generally, when we grow rose plants in pot requires a good amount of protein. However, trimming out plant like this will definitely consume a limited amount of proteins, and this enriches rose plants to produce good number of buds. Finally, we have trimmed out most of the unwanted branches. So this is this much amount of branches I got it from one rose plant. So this is how my rose plant looks after 2 months actually. So it started producing fresh branches from the place where I trimmed, and it started producing new buds as well. So here you can notice like these small tiny young branches are coming out, and then they are now started producing buds. So this is one small tiny branch, so you can notice like there is a small bud here as well. So after 2 to 3 weeks of duration, these buds are now converted into flowers like this. So like now my entire rose plant is filled with buds, and also they're filled with the flower. So once I pluck them out again, I will repeat the same process. I hope you guys found this video useful. Do this trick and let me know your feedback in the comment section.